Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through likely questions people do ask around, like, can you rent a house while paying a mortgage? You can rent out your house while paying a mortgage, but there are some important factors to consider. The first is to check your mortgage agreement. Some mortgages have a owner's occupancy clause, meaning you must live in the home for a certain period before renting it out. And also, if you have a FHA loan, you typically must live in the home for at least 1 year before renting it. And also, violating your mortgage terms could lead to a loan default or penalties. And the other one is to notify your lender if required. So some lenders requires you to inform them before renting out your home. And also, if renting long term, you may need to switch to an investment properties loan, which often has higher interest rate. And also check local laws and HOA rules. Some cities or homeowners associated with HOAs have restrictions on renting. And also, short-term renting like here Airbnb may have different regulation than long-term lenses. And also get a landlord insurance. Regular homeowners insurance may not cover a rental related damages, so you may need a landlord insurance which cover a rental properties risk. And that's it. That's a simple step-by-step guide on how you can rent a house while paying a mortgage. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and also hit the subscribe button because it really helps me out. Thank you.